Welcome! In front of me I have Huawei Watch GT 5 and I'm gonna show you how to pair this watch with the iPhone. First thing you will need to do is to turn on your watch, and you can do it by pressing and holding the crown button until you see the Huawei logo on the screen. Once you see the logo, you can release the button and wait until the watch is done booting up. After the watch boots up, you should see the list of languages on the screen, and if you see it, you can scroll through it by swiping up and down. Now find the language you want to use on your watch, and once you find it, tap on it to select it and apply it. So let's select this language, and after you select the language, you will see basically that you need to download and install the Huawei Health application on your iPhone, and you can use the QR code if you want to. You can tap on use QR code, and it will let you to basically give you a link to the download for the app. I'm just gonna use the App Store on our iPhone to download the application from there. And to download the app, you will need to have the internet connection and Bluetooth enabled. Once you do, you can open the App Store. In the App Store, you can tap on search, then tap on the search bar and type in Huawei Health. And on the list of apps, you should see this application, Huawei Health. You can tap on it, then tap on the get button to download and install it. And once the application is done installing, you can tap on open to open it. In the app, you will need to select a service region, so tap right here and scroll through the list, find the region you want to use, and once you find it, you can tap on it to select it, for example, United States. Then tap on next, next, agree, allow OrdenID permission for the notifications. This is useful if you want to receive the notifications from your iPhone on your watch. If you don't care, you can deny it. If you want to use that feature, allow the permission. Next, we have the health kit, and we need to tap on let's go. And here we can allow OrdenID app to write and read the data from different health features, and you can do it by tapping on the switch next to one to enable it, and then you can tap on allow or don't allow if you don't want to allow the permissions. But if you want to use some of the health features like heart rate and stuff like that, you will probably need to allow those permissions. So I'm gonna tap on turn on all, tap on allow, and at this point you should see the health page in the app. Tap on devices, tap on add device, allow the Bluetooth permission, tap on device again, add device rather, and now the app will start searching for the nearby devices, and it should detect your Huawei Watch GT 5. Tap on connect next to it. Tap on the checkmark on the watch, tap on pair on the iPhone, allow OrdenID permission for the notifications. Here, scroll down, or you don't need to scroll down, just check the box, tap on next. And right here we can allow some more permissions like the access to contacts. This is useful if you want to basically see who's calling you on your iPhone because the notifications. You don't need to allow it, you can deny it. Next we have the calendar access. You can allow it or deny it. And then we have the location. This is useful for the local weather, tracking your route and stuff like that. You can allow it or deny it. And here we can check the boxes to download auto updates or auto download update packages and then install it if you want to. So if you don't want to check manually for the updates, you can check the boxes and it will happen automatically. And once you're done, you can tap on done, and at this point you should see the Huawei Watch GT 5 on the device page of your app. And if you go through the tutorial on your watch, you should be able to use it. And that's how you pair this watch with the iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.